Hey everybody, Maddie here with Altcoin Buzz. Happy Thursday. Hope you're having a great one. We're leading off today with some pretty encouraging news. UniSwap has just launched their own native governance token. It is called UNI token, that's UNI. And the good news is that you're entitled to 400 UNI, which is worth about $1,000 right now, if you have interacted with UniSwap prior to September. We'll break it down. The price right now sits at about $2.56. We'll let you know specifically how you can get your hands on 400 UNI. That's a nice positive way to start your day on a Thursday to learn that you're entitled to that amount of asset. StormX is in the news with a series of updates, as is Nash with regard to the NEX token. Digibyte is in the news as well with their own updates, as is Chainlink. We'll be discussing Hacken. And finally, to wrap things up, we'll remind you of all of the different cashback options that you can avail yourself of with a crocrypto.com Visa card. The new rate is 8% cashback if you sign up for the Obsidian Black Visa card. 8% is unprecedented anywhere in the credit card space. So just a reminder for you guys at the tail end of the video, and something else that you can take advantage of if you so choose. If you like this kind of content, guys, Bitcoin, blockchain, and cryptocurrency, then be sure to like and subscribe. Taking a look here at the markets on CoinGecko.com, we're up slightly, $353.4 billion total market cap. Things have started to swing a little bit in the favor of Bitcoin. There are always exceptions, of course. Even though Bitcoin right now is down in these last 24 hours, let's take a look at the Big Bertha, the big mama of all projects here. And as you can see, in the last 24 hours, it's kind of been down a little bit, but over these last 7 days, we have noticed a steady uptick, and that has translated into a higher than usual Bitcoin dominance. It now sits at 56.8%. So 56.8% of the cryptocurrency market, in other words, is accounted for by Bitcoin's market cap, sitting right now at $10,832. There are some other projects. Ethereum up a little bit and nicely, 3.6% on the day. XRP 2.6%. Other than that, until you scroll down further down the list, projects are generally down a little bit, so several percentage points. The story of the day seems to be nothing too sensational, but seems to be the fact that Bitcoin is, for whatever reason, based on a lot of forecasts and analysis, is projected to be a strong buy. Many people are saying Bitcoin is a strong buy, and I think the expectation is building for Bitcoin to perhaps climb a little bit higher in the near future. Okay, but the big news of the day and what we're leading off on is this story with UniSwap. So at Altcoin Buzz IO tweeting, breaking news. UniSwap protocol launched UNI, that's UNI, which is their own native governance token. Every single address which ever interacted with UniSwap is entitled to 400 UNI. Again, every single address which ever interacted with UniSwap is entitled to 400 UNI. You all deserve it for being part of the decentralized, borderless, trustless revolution. At Jeff Kerdikis here on Twitter, he is the CEO of both TrustSwap and Uptrend. He wrote the following: there is a very good chance that you have a free $1,000 waiting for you on UniSwap. This does sound too good to be true, but if you've used UniSwap before the start of September, you likely have at least 400 UNI waiting for you. Here's the breakdown on altcoinbuzz.io. UniSwap protocol governance token UNI is live with a product that has proven to be fit to serve highly decentralized financial infrastructure. UniSwap is ready with its much-awaited protocol governance token, the UNI. The token will serve the purpose of community-led growth for UniSwap. This article by Deepika. Now, the price has come down a little bit. This is a very volatile asset at the moment, but at the time of press, one UNI was worth $3.52. So that's equivalent to about $1,400 US, which, if you put it into a certain light, as Deepika does here, that's actually more than the $1,200 Corona stimulus check that so many millions of Americans received earlier this year in response to the pandemic. So that is a nice little freebie for sure. According to the official blog post, 400 UNI are claimable by each address, and this even includes UniSwap addresses that have submitted only failed transactions to date. Talk about giving back. There are close to 120,000 such addresses. At the time of press, close to 226,000 addresses hold UNI token, and every second, almost 12 addresses are claiming their free UNI. However, there does exist an address that received more than 130,000 UNI. We'll talk about that later in the article. So guys, if you want to claim your UNI tokens, here is what you do. It's very simple. As a UniSwap user, first of all, you have to have used it in the past. pass, that is really the barrier to entry. All you need to do is log into your profile and claim the UNI tokens. Here is a simple two-step guide. As soon as you log in, you will see a notification on the right-hand side of the screen. Quote, UNI has arrived. That's what the notification should say. Click on claim your UNI tokens. And on the next screen, it once again asks you to click on claim UNI. Again, at least 400 UNI should be waiting for you if you've used the service in the month of, prior to the month, I should say, of September. Wait for the 400 UNI to reflect in your wallet balance. Be patient with this. It will take a while as the Ethereum network is once again very congested. At UniSwap Protocol on Twitter tweeting, we're thrilled to announce that UNI, the UniSwap Protocol governance token, is live now on Ethereum mainnet. You can read more about this at uniswap.org. As you can see, the price right here is fluctuating pretty wildly. I don't know how accurate this figure is right now. It's indicating $2.54, which is somehow up 44.6%. But as we saw in that article from yesterday, the price was about $1 higher. So I wouldn't necessarily trust the price, nor would I trust the indicator here suggesting how much it's moved in the last 24 hours. It's somewhere in the $2 or $3 range at the very least. So that does bring you to about $1,000 worth of assets, assuming you have at least 400 on Uniswap for being a previous user. Not too bad all in all. Jack Purdy here, putting things in perspective. Even at a $3 billion market cap, UNI is still only valued at less than 7 times annualized revenue, which is relatively low for firms in this kind of tech space especially. Taking its closest competition, Balancer Labs, which is at a 17.5% multiple, that would put UNI at $7.5 billion. Therefore, Jack is suggesting that a $3 billion market cap for UNI is actually kind of conservative, and he expects it to grow along with many others in the future. So maybe, I don't know, not financial advice, not saying you should hold on to your UNI, but it may very well be worth more one day in the future. Chris Marcellik from Crypto.com commenting here. UNI is live on DeFi Swap. Quoting Crypto.com's tweet, of course, his company, UniSwap Protocol, UNI, is now on DeFi Swap. Add UNI liquidity to earn fees and rewards. You can stake CRO to boost your yield up to 20 times. 20 times. Start now on Crypto.com/DeFi/swap. StormX is now in the news with a couple of updates. At StormX.io is the Twitter handle. Make sure you're following. Here's what they've done. They added 8 shops for our UK users this week. Looking for a car to rent? Well, use Europe Car for 7% crypto cash back. 7%. Into gaming, check out 365 games and grab 2% crypto cash back. New lingerie, is that what you need? Well, perhaps you'll like Hunker Molar, 8% crypto cash back. And I've made the argument before that, perhaps these are already brands that you're buying on a regular basis, or these services are ones that you're already using. If that's the case, then this is just icing on the cake. This is just something that allows you to use what you're already familiar with, what you're already accustomed to, and just top it off with free crypto in the form of cashback perks. And this idea, this model, and this ecosystem to me really does spell out how you would go about mass adoption by incentivizing people to keep using what they already know how to use, what they already enjoy, but give them further incentive and motivation to avail themselves of the perks associated with those services, those products on the crypto side of things. StormX also tweeting, the past months have been amazing for StormX. We added over 160 shops, more than 95% of the swap is completed, and we updated our roadmap. If you want to know more, you can always check out the community updates here on blog.stormtoken.com. Let's now discuss Nash and NEX token updates. At Nash Social is the Twitter handle, and they had the following to say. Nash is on product hunt. Check out our page for a neat overview of our revolutionary exchange, from non-custodial Bitcoin trading to 0% fee fiat ramps, and have fun continuing the conversation with our hunters. Hashtag Nash, hashtag trust yourselves, NEX. Rudy Bowman here in the news at Rudy Bowman, BOUWMAN. We are excited to announce that the Digibyte Foundation just had a follow-up call with this leader in the IT. I'm presuming he's meaning the IT space. We discussed the next best steps to build that bridge to sell Digibyte applications and services to the world. Next week, we'll be able to disclose more. Brace for impact. And this, his own tweet from the 10th of September here, just had a great 3.5 hour chat, so 3.5 hours with a director from a top 10 global tech firm about how Digibyte could build a bridge to the commercial world and play a major role in the world of authentication, authenticity, and DeFi, decentralized finance, to be continued. We don't have any more information than this. It's hard to even speculate. I mean, he could have had a call with anybody, but there are only so many top 10 tech firms in the world, so I suppose that narrows the list a little bit. We will be bracing for impact here, as he says, and we'll update you guys as soon as we sniff out more about this story in particular. Chainlink here is in the news now, and Hacken High at Chainlink is the Twitter handle. Make sure you're following. Security auditor Hacken Club will make its audit data available across numerous blockchain environments using Chainlink. This data on penetration testing, proof of funds, and more enables users to check if a DeFi contract is audited before sending it funds. And you can read more about that on medium.com, but Daima Budorin here is weighing in. In other words, various popular decentralized exchanges like UniSwap protocol or SushiSwap will be able to integrate our DeFi project cybersecurity data. Users will be able to have red flags before they invest if the code is not audited. Building DeFi infrastructure. Clearly approving, clearly feeling that this is a step forward for the space, which remains the Wild West at the moment. But these are the incremental steps that we can take, that firms can take proactively to make it a little bit more secure and a little bit more transparent and accountable. And finally for today, guys, just want to remind you, you can avail yourselves of an unbelievable deal with the CRO Visa card. It comes in all kinds of different tiers, and you can get $50 loaded onto it for free. If you're already using a Visa card or credit cards for that matter, you can order the CRO Visa card and get a $50 bonus by using our exclusive Altcoin Buzz code. You get $50 upon activation, we get $50 upon activation, so it's a win-win. We try to be transparent about that, but that is how it works. It's just an incentive for both sides. Our link is in the description below, as well as the comments below. You simply have to put in the letters AB. That is our code, AB. And here's the big news at Crypto.com on Twitter. Now up to 8% cash back using the CRO Obsidian Black Visa card. 8% cash back, which by the way is paid out in crypto. That is an absurd number. I've used a few credit cards in my day, guys. I've never seen anything even close to the 5% mark in the traditional space. Cash back, I mean, is typically capped at about 2%, maybe 2.5 or 3. I've seen different permutations of that, but 8% back in cryptocurrency. And if you're like me, think about it this way. You know, you're getting 8% back in an asset that you feel itself will appreciate over time. So this is just a feedback loop that benefits the user. Crypto.com here tweeting up to 8% back, cash back that is, in the form of cryptocurrency, credited instantly on all purchases and globally most widely available. Get your Crypto.com card. Now here is the link, mco.onelink.me/ a whole bunch of numbers, and you can read more about the details here on blog.crypto.com. And as a reminder, guys, check out our link. $50 free will be loaded onto your card using the code AB. Well, that about wraps it up for today, everybody. Hey, do be sure you're following us on all the regular social media channels and keep checking back into altcoinbuzz.io for all the latest news and developments, because when you do, you're going to be rewarded with some positive news, such as the UNI tokens that you can now claim. Again, 400 UNI tokens. If you've used UniSwap prior to the beginning of September, it's worth about $1,000 right now. So make sure you take advantage of that. Guys, have a great day out there, a terrific Thursday. I wish you only the very best of luck if you choose to invest. Stay safe first and foremost, and as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.